pour. Oh, hello everyone. This is McKaylee. I'm here with Barb. It's Machine Tip Tuesday, and we're going to show you how to applique with the embroidery machine. So here is Barb. Look the camera.
Okay, so we're going to embroider today, and I'm using the Destiny 2 just because it's convenient. It's just right here. All right, so this is what I'm going to show you how to applique today. This is what the end is going to look like. These are cute little banners that we have made for the people coming to our Star Spangled event tomorrow.
Awesome.
So I'm going to show you how this is made. And this is the book that it comes out of.
They're super cute.
They are. So these can be chenilled. And chenille means you've got several layers of fabric and you trim them down and they're just all fuzzy and fun.
Way cute.
But we're going to do just a regular applique. So I'm going to show you how to pull it up on your machine.
Okay.
I've already downloaded the pattern onto my jump drive. I'm going to plug it in, go to embroider. I'm going to pull it off of my thumb drive, and that would be this right here because I've got it plugged in. If I had it on my machine, then I would pull it out of there. And now I know that it's right here. I'm going to go to my PES because that's what this one calls for, and I'm going to do a small size.
Okay.
And I am going to do a J. All of the whole alphabet is in there. Let me go back there and let me show you all that's included in this. Look at all that you have. The whole alphabet plus a few symbols. So everything you want. You could write words, you could write whatever you want. Now I'm going to hit set. And now I'm going to say, yes, I'm ready. I don't want to make any changes on it. I'm ready to embroider that. So right here is going to be what the finished product is going to look like. This in this window is what I'm doing right now.
Okay.
Okay, so let's plug that in. Now put my embroidery hoop. I've already got cutaway stabilizer in my hoop. So I'm going to say, push the button, turn it green. Oh, whoops, stop. Somebody borrowed my foot today. It's not going to sew much without thread in it. I'm going to push the green button. And right there it's just stitching a placement line so I can put the next piece on. And right here I've already prepared my fabric. This is the outside fabric. See how fun that is? I like that I just have to push a button. And now I'm going to place this piece on. And the instructions are all in there, so I've just remembered them because I made a dozen of these yesterday. So we're almost to the applique part. So your machine may be a little different than this, but these are pretty much the basic steps that you're going to do. So now it's going to give me a placement for my applique. I'm going to once again put my foot down, turns that button green. Green means go. Now it's going to stitch out the J. That is just a placement for me, just like it gave me a placement to put the red fabric down. This one gave me a placement where to put my applique fabric down. So all I have to do, you can see that in there. Can you see that? It's a little hard to see, isn't it?
You can see it though, you can see the stitch.
Okay, now I just have to place my blue fabric over the top of where the stitch line is, because the next stitch is going to stitch on top of the blue. And that's going to give me my applique. And you're probably wondering, well, okay, that's a great applique. There's going to be a J, but I have all this extra fabric over the top. I don't want all that stuff there, right? But you know what I'm going to do, don't you?
Yep.
Okay. All right, at this point, it's telling me it's stitched up. So I'm going to slide it out. And in order to have that cut around, I got 2 pairs of scissors right here. So these are double bend, double curvy scissors. And these are the ones right out of here.
Awesome.
I really like those, especially if I'm going to do a lot of straight cutting. But this is also a pair of scissors that I really love to do small little places that I need to cut out. So if I were doing a bee and it had the inside of the bee and you needed to cut that out, then that would be a good thing that you would use. Okay, I'm just going to trim this off and you'll see how that's all going to come together. And it's not hard to trim off. If you had a silhouette and you wanted to exactly cut these out on your silhouette, then you could, and you could heat and bond it and iron it down and then do the same thing that I'm doing. But this is also pretty easy.
Awesome. Look at that cute jade.
Isn't that great? Okay.
Voila.
There, I've got it all trimmed down. I'm going to put it back in my machine, and my machine remembers exactly where I am. So the next stitch is going to be a beautiful heavy stitch around the J. Foot down, green light. And depending on how big your applique is or how big your letter is, will depend on how long this takes. But this is how simple and how easy it is. It walks you through every single step. See, I can sit and watch this all day.
Yes.
And I do. Do you have any questions, McKaylee?
I don't have any questions.
That's pretty much how an applique works.
Awesome.
And if you want to know more, just come on in and we can help you.
Awesome. Thanks, Barb.
You're welcome. Bye.